Hello kids, welcome to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning alphabet A, B, C, D, E and numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our colors. Dark green color, brown color, red color, black color, orange color, yellow color, sky blue color, baby pink color, light green color, pink color, blue color and black color. A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4, E 5, F 6, G 7, H 8, I 9, J 10, 10.